So I thought it would make sense to do another quick little walkthrough. This is the construction door that you come in at the top of the staircase, and then you're basically coming into a little second landing. Yeah, this is the smoke extractor control system that we've had a bunch of problems with. But let's carry on up into the apartment. You can see over here, it's a nice level floor now coming up. One of the things I asked is that they put a bunch of extra like empty sockets in here so that we can basically like add more gadgets into the holes later on, like a little Raspberry Pi or whatnot that can then do Bluetooth detection when you come in, or like a little camera or all sorts of little things. So yeah, coming on in, the wardrobe is now all drywalled out. That's my little set of lighting cables there waiting to be installed into their patch panel. Here we come through to the kitchen. Still waiting for the island and still waiting for the kitchen, and a whole lot of drywalling there as well. But we've got the inside mostly done now. Starting to look really bright actually, and as soon as the temporary roof goes and the glass roof comes on, this will really get very bright. So I'm quite excited about that. Anyway, this is the lounge starting to get into place. All those speaker cables hanging down are ready for the Dolby Atmos setup. Quite excited to get working on that as soon as the lounge is in place. One other thing is that this roof here and this roof here in the lounge, they're going to be acoustically treated so that basically there's less echo in this room, because you can see it's quite a big room, and my thinking is that when you're in there, having some sort of deadening of sound as you're speaking so you don't get echoes going around will be really nice. So coming around here, we've got the workroom slash study slash library, whatever it becomes. You can see they've put in a lot of the plug sockets now, and something I'm really excited about is two little plug sockets up here, like at desk height, so that you don't have to bend down and plug things in like a laptop or whatnot. Yeah, basically I like a lot of plug sockets. Call me old-fashioned, but I can't stand these multi-plug adapters. Yeah, and then coming back here, we've got the wall between the kitchen and the entryway. Basically, it's going to be a tablet coming on the wall here to control when you're coming or leaving, and a bunch of empty pipes that then like go all the way back to the server cupboard, ready for fiber or more of this Ethernet or whatever to control that. And coming around here, this is the third bedroom. Still waiting for this to be all drywalled out. Well, actually just the front. But the cool thing is now that the scaffolding's gone, nobody's using this window anymore, and it's really quite nice. If you look down onto the street, all the scaffolding is gone. See if I can get that focused. Okay, come on, shitty camera. Nope, no focus. But yeah, the front is all done. It's starting to look quite nice. Quite excited. The leaves are out on the trees. Yeah, and then guest bathroom is here, and this is something I'm super excited about. When you're standing here showering, you've got this huge glass window up there that then, as soon as the wood is replaced, and the second glass window goes in, you'll have a nice view of the sky while you're showering. Yeah, second bedroom here, pretty much done. Fred was working on this today. My laptop, and this is where I've sort of been hanging out and working and making notes. Yeah, the plans, coming around to the electrical cupboard now. So this is quite a beast. If you look at this thing, that's just the interconnect between the cupboard, the electrical cupboard, and everything else. If you scroll down, there's bits, and then there's more bits, and there's more bits, even more bits. and more bits, and some pretty serious feeder cables. If you look at these, see if I can show you these feeder cables. They're pretty damn awesome. These are like the offcuts, and these are fat feeder cables. You could probably run like half a city block of cables like that. Anyway, that's just some extras. Now got the air system installed. Still needs to be connected up to all of these vents up on the roof, and more vents around there. And that thing over there is like a big silencer, so that when air's blowing, it's like an exhaust system. Coming around here, yeah, started to organize the network cables. It's basically like a network cable puke there, just flowing out all around there. But that'll eventually get patched up and wired into shape. So yeah, and the server cupboard will be sort of shifted up and back against the wall, because this whole area here is going to have a cupboard coming over it to keep things nice and clean. And the bathroom, yeah, I'm actually really impressed with this. There's so much light coming into it. Really, really nice. Hard to get a really a good impression on this, but yeah, lots of light. The little toilet around the corner here, that's all ready to be wired up to the Japanese toilet technology, and heated seats and everything that makes it fun to use the toilet. The walk-in shower now has its floor and everything. Little change here. This is incorrectly done. There's supposed to be like a niche over here ready for the soap and shampoo and everything. But you can see the shower outlet's ready, and the ventilation pipe is ready to be installed. Bath is ready to be installed over there. And yeah, some cables that I haven't quite finished pinning up onto the ceiling yet, but I'll get onto that. And even the little cupboard areas all nicely patched out and ready to go. Complete with a few little plugs, because you never know when you're going to need a plug inside a cupboard, which I'm quite excited about. And the all-time favorite room, the Genie cat toilet room. This is all drywalled, apart from the back, ready to go. There's the power supply for it, and yeah, ventilation tubes ready to be put in place. And the master bedroom, the sort of mini master bedroom. It's a very small room, but I'm quite excited about having a cozy master bedroom. Everywhere I've really tried to always put 5 plugs in, so that there's never a reason to be hunting around for plug sockets or running these multi-plugs, which I'm excited about. And then there's the niche going into that back wall. So the back wall comes forward a little bit, and then there's a few inset areas on the back wall just to try and make it look a little bit more sort of interesting shape-wise. Yeah, and then hidden away behind those things is the crawl space. So yeah, final little walkthrough. I actually realized it's going to be a bit of a walk to get coffee in the morning, but there are worse problems in this world. I'm just very excited to finally get moved in and to have coffee served out of this place. So there you go. And a quick view of the terrace. Yeah, weather's not the best today. Still got the scaffolding up on the back wall, but here you can see the terrace. Back there in the distance is the heat pump, and then that roof over there, that'll be a green roof, and then there's another roof on the back of this one that'll also be a green roof. And we're looking about 3 weeks until the main windows get craned in here, which will also be very exciting. So yeah, thanks for watching.